All right, guys, wanted to walk you through how to place an option spread. We'll make these trades about 3 times per year on average. And I know it can be a little complicated to place the trade on some of the popular platforms. We'll make a video for Interactive Brokers and one for Options House. I just want to clarify, this trade we're going to do is just an example trade. So this is not something we actually are going to go out and place. This is just purely for an example. So just wanted to make sure that's clear. So in this example, the trade we'll be doing, the ticker is SPY. The expiration is July 31st. We're going to be placing a bull call spread. So we're going to buy the 206 call, sell the 210 call. We're going to allocate 5% of our portfolio to this spread, and we're going to hold it for about 30 days. So just generally speaking, we try to hold our spread trades for about 30 days. It's not always going to be exactly 30, but we want to get the closest 30 as possible. Let's just assume, in this example, you have a $10,000 portfolio. We want to allocate 5% to this spread, so that's going to be $500. And the spread, we went ahead and looked. The spread cost $2.18. The thing to keep in mind is each contract is for 100 shares of stock, so you have to multiply this by 100. So really, the spread costs $218. So to figure out how many number of contracts we need, we just take 500 divided by 218. It's not going to be a round number, so it's going to be between 2 and 3. So we leave it up to you to decide whether you want to be more aggressive or less aggressive. We will usually be less aggressive, so in this example, we'll trade 2 contracts. The other thing to note, this 5% allocation, this is on top of either the 100% allocation to XIV or the 100% allocation to VXX. So whenever we have an option spread, you're really going to be your total allocation is really going to be 105%. So you're going to have a little bit of margin. If you're doing this in a retirement account or something, that's fine. You can just drop down your 100% allocation to XIV or VXX down to 95%, and then use 5% for the option spread. But for the accounts that we use a margin account, so we'll be 105% allocated. So to walk you through how to do this on Interactive Brokers, we'll just go over to our platform. You come into the platform, you click on Option Trader. A screen like this will pop up. You just come in here and type the ticker, PY. You'll drop down, it says stock, just click enter. I had a couple orders in here already. I was kind of playing around. I'm going to go ahead and just delete these to show you what this really looks like. All right, so what you would do, normally a bunch of expiration dates are going to load, and a bunch of strike prices are going to load. So you would come in and clear these out and just select July 31st. And then for the strikes, you'd unselect all these and then select 206 and 210. So it cleans this up and makes it look nicer. The key thing to know is when you place the spread, you want to place the trade as a spread. So you don't want to come in and place each individual leg of the spread as a separate order. So you don't want to buy the 206 in one order and then buy the 2010 in another order. You want to place it as one order in itself. Interactive Brokers allows you to do that in several ways. The way we like to do it is to come to this screen and then come up to what they call the strategy builder. So to build this strategy, we're going to buy the 206 call. So you have your bid price and your ask price. The higher price is the one you can always buy at. The lower price is the one you can always sell at. We want to buy this option, so we're going to click the ask price, the higher price. You can see that it loads up in here. And then we want to sell the 210 strike, so we're going to click on the bid, the lower price, to sell it. You can see it's recognizing this as a bull spread, which is what we want. This is the path profile we're looking for. And the key here to place this as a spread, you need to click Add to Quote Panel. So up here is the quote panel. So if you click this, just hit no if this thing pops up. So now we have a brand new bid ask for the option spread itself as opposed to the individual legs of the trade. To double check that this is the spread you want, you can just double click this. The box will pop up and say to buy one bull spread means buy one SPY July 31st 206 call, sell one SPY July 31st 210 call. That's what we want to do. We want to buy one of these spreads. So to buy the spread, you have to click on the ask price. So again, you have the bid and the ask. You want to click on the ask to buy it. The screen will pop up. Quantity, if you remember, is 2. So we could have done between 2 and 3. We're going to be a little bit less aggressive and choose 2. Order type, we're always going to use a limit order, LMT order. And time enforced day, choose day. And then you can click preview to see if, I guess you have to click in the price. So the price is 218. If you look here at the ask price is 218. Just so you guys know, just to make this simple, we plan to come in, whenever we place an option trade, we plan to come in the last 15 minutes of the day or so and just buy the spread at the ask price. If you want to come in a little bit earlier and try and work the mid price of the spread to get a better fill, certainly that's your discretion. You can do that. Just to make it easy, we're going to come in the last 15 minutes of the day and just buy it at the ask price. So you can click preview to see if this is what you really want. So buy 2 SPY July 31st 206 calls, sell 2 SPY July 31st 210 calls, order type limit, price 218, routing smart, time first day. That's everything we want. Just ignore this, override and transmit, hit OK. And now you can see that this order is here waiting to be executed. And again, you can double check it by clicking on this box and see that this is exactly what you want. This looks right, so everything's good. And that's it. Thanks.